What's up? Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to install the Faker gem, which is a Ruby library for generating a bunch of fake data. It's super handy for generating test data and just generally fake data. So we're going to say bundle add Faker, and we're going to put this in the development group. And once we have Faker installed, all right, so let's jump into the Rails console and play around. So we're going to say Rails console or Rails C. Now we can say Faker : and then tab through all of these. A really common one is to use Faker : internet. And there's a whole bunch of methods on internet that will generate fake data. So we could say, give me a safe email, and that will generate an email address that's safe to use. We can do that a bunch of different times, and that will generate fake email addresses. That's pretty cool. We can also do Faker company dot, and then there's like, you can just grab a simple name, or you could do funny things like Polish Register of National Economy. So we could do a whole bunch of stuff with Faker. It's a really fun gem, and it's really useful if you're in development and you want to sort of pre-populate forms, or you want to pre-populate data that looks real. And you can also use it inside of tests so that your tests are going to behave differently based on all of the random data that Faker might generate for you that is pretty realistic. So there's some really fun ones in here. We can do like Faker. There's a Chuck Norris thing that we can say, give us a Chuck Norris fact. Or you can even say stuff like Faker.stripe. Valid card, and that'll give you back a valid credit card so that you can test out your Stripe integration. So Faker is a really powerful gem, and yeah, I'm excited to see how you use this in your application. We're going to be using this throughout the rest of our series where we're building out a platform for creators. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.